So I decided to export the video and explain the video. So let's watch it. Okay, so of course, for this tutorial, I'm gonna install Mod Organizer 2. So every link is in the description. You just grab the first two, which should be Mod Organizer and then the plugin, the Fallout 76 plugin. You get them both. So just download and install Mod Organizer. I suggest you to do this in a folder, in a specific folder. That folder is not gonna be the Mod Organizer 2 folder, but it's gonna be the Mod Organizer Fallout 76 folder, which means you can install Mod Organizer 2 multiple times in different folders for different games. If you didn't understand, it doesn't matter. Just create a folder and slap Mod Organizer inside that folder. Then extract the plugin and paste it in the Mod Organizer folder where everything got installed. Now, if you start Mod Organizer, top left, create instance, portable instance, and Fallout 76. And just install it. Now, I opened it and I'm gonna install a mod. Am I? Yes, no, actually, I'm gonna create a folder named Tools. In this folder, you are gonna put every single tool that you will need to use in the future. As for now, the only tool I will use is Baka. Now, just, extract it and put it in the tools folder. I'm gonna remove those numbers just because I don't like them, but, nothing changed. Now, back to Mod Organizer, you click where I'm clicking, you press Add from File, and you add the Baka software tool, the thingy. Yes. Okay, now you press Apply, and then OK. I'm pretty sure if you press just OK, it's gonna work anyways, but I like pressing Apply if I can. Now I'm gonna install a normal mod. I could have cut this part. Lowered weapons is gonna be the first mod I'm gonna install. Now, exit the tutorial, who cares? I am the tutorial here. As you can see, this mod only contains meshes and a readme. Fuck the readme, we keep the meshes, okay? There are two kinds of mods. The meshes mod, which requires Baka, and the BA2, which require inif folder. Okay, yes. Now, this folder, as you can see, ignore this Mod Organizer 2 profile default. You will not have it like this. For you need to go to Documents, you need to go to My Games, you need to go to Fallout 76, and then you find Fallout 76 Custom. But why do I have a different folder? Because I already have a modded Fallout, and I can't tell Mod Organizer to store the new data on the same folder where I already have my mods. Otherwise, it's gonna overwrite, and it's gonna be a mess for me. So, go to Documents, My Games, Fallout 76, you find Fallout 76 Custom ini, and you paste, whoa, one second, you basically need to paste the thing I showed here. Maybe a little bit behind. Okay, let me catch it. Yes. See this? This is gonna be the only reason you need this file. You paste archive as resource archive to list, and from here, every single time you are installing a mod that contains a BA2 file, you add it here. So I click the file once, I press F2, which is the shortcut for renaming, I press Ctrl-C, which is the shortcut for copying the name. You just need to copy the name and you paste it. right? If you want to add another mod, you put the comma, no spaces, and you just add the name of the second mod, BA2. And as you can see, the lockpicking bar is, at the top of the screen, working. So the first mod is working. Congrats to me. Now, as you can see, the lowered weapon is not working. I'm holding the gun normally. Like, this is how you normally hold the gun. Now, go to Steam and look for the creation kit. I'm gonna put that in the description because I know you're lazy. As you can see, Baka is not working. I mean, it is working, but it's not finding any game. That's because we didn't put any path. So the Archive 2 path is exactly the reason why you needed the Fallout 4 creation kit, which should be free, as far as I remember. If not, buy Fallout 4. I'm gonna put another link for buying Fallout 4, but I'm sure you don't need to buy it. Now, you saw where is the file, right? Like, Fallout 4 is not the Fallout 4 folder. It's the creation kit folder that is also named Fallout 4. So you just need to go there, then from the kit you go to the tools, Archive 2, and you put archive2.exe on the Archive 2 path. I don't know why I'm highlighting it. Yeah. Okay. 76 folder, no need to explain, put the 76 folder path, not data. Stop until you get the normal path. Now, I closed Baka. Yeah, I didn't do anything, I just closed it, and I created a new mod. Now, this is probably not gonna work, okay? Because it never works. I go here, I press create files in mod instead of overwrite, and I select the Baka output. Why do I keep highlighting stuff? Okay, press apply. Thank you. Now, I'm gonna enable this, and I'm gonna press run. So we run Baka. So now we are actually using it. I don't know why I zoomed this. I'm gonna press refresh. I don't know what it does, but it makes me feel like I'm doing good. And I press create archive. And this is the output that you will not see here in Baka output. You will find these three files, Baka file, and Baka file in the mod organizer folder. Go to tools, go to the Baka folder, and there should be output. Okay, you keep opening the folders until you see these three files. You move these three files in the mod called Baka output. And I'm gonna show you this in case I didn't show, but probably I didn't show it. Yeah, you can right click a mod to select open in Explorer, which basically is this. Now we have one BA2 file, so you know what to do. You go to the ini, Fallout custom, comma, and paste. Okay, every BA2 file needs to be here. Now, if I run Fallout 76, you're gonna see that my character is holding the weapon in the correct way, like in the way that the mod wanted me to. Now, this is a plus that I'm gonna add. It's hard to explain how to install it, but hear me out. As the name hints, this mod makes some items glow. Now let's say, I'm gonna use this as an example for this video, that I need to repair the fixer, okay? So these are the items you need to repair the fixer. So adhesive, spring, aluminium, and steel. Now for some reason, steel is not present in this mod, but we can highlight all the other materials. Now my memory is pretty short, as you can see. I keep checking the 3 stuff I need to remember. So adhesive, aluminum, and spring. Okay. Now, clicking these three items is not really necessary. I only did that because I need to remember which one is selected. So you select the material and then select the color. I need to select white because I decided to choose white. Now I hold Ctrl, I select these two folders. I mean, not really folders. I select these two files and I drag them to data. So adhesive is done. Now this kind of confused me because, you know, the folder are still here, so I need to deselect adhesive. I do the same thing with aluminum. I selected two files and I drag them to data. And then I deselect glowing aluminum. Then, last, I do the same thing. I select these two files and I move them to data. And we don't need these two folders anymore. Now, with this, every item that contains this material will be highlighted. I'm gonna rename this file glowing items the fixer. So I usually use two of these mods with different colors. So for example, I have red color for the Chinese suit armor, and the highlighted color will be all the ones I need for, you know, for the armor, and then another color, I'm gonna use this for the fixer. If you have some weapons that you are maining, that you use mainly, you can just use this method to find everything you need to repair that weapon, armor, whatever. You got me. Oh, this is what I said before, to open it on Explorer and be able to, you know, interact with the folder and files. Now, this mod has 3 BA files, BA2 files. Same thing, comma, paste. I'm gonna paste again and change the name. So aluminum is gonna be adhesive, and then we are gonna do the same thing with springs. If you do not like to, you know, manage the Fallout 76 custom ini from here, again, you can do it from document, mygames, Fallout 76, and then the Fallout custom ini. Now, as you can see, the item that has aluminum is now white. The other item, I'm pretty sure it has springs. I forgot to cut this part where I just shoot the robot and I walk around. But yeah. I also forgot to record my voice in that video, but yeah, never mind. It happens. You are getting your tutorial and I am making cows. So I really suggest you to download mods, because look at this. This is my main mod list. I can see where the events, the camps, I can see, for example, where the players, my team related stuff. It's pretty useful, and as you could see from the landscape, everything is colored. There is more grass. Now, I have to say it, the loading screens are increased, okay? This depends by your PC, but if you install a couple of mods, you shouldn't have any problems, right? If you are like me, then you will. But I feel like it's worth it, right? It's just probably personal choice, it doesn't matter. As you can see also, I have the chat, which is really useful. You can ask people to if they are selling stuff, or you can ask suggestions, you know. You can get immediate response. And in case you wanna get this mod depends on a file named sFE. Do not install that mod with Mod Organizer. Instead, drag and drop the extracted file, which should be dxvg, I don't remember the name, but it's a DLL file, okay? Move it where your Fallout 76 exe is located, not inside data, okay? What else did I show? Oh yeah, that's the part where I show that I have a mod that allows me to see where bubble heads are, and basically that's it. I don't remember any other mod I have. I have some other stuff like, you know, cool quality related stuff, you know, higher texture and stuff, but they are not important, so this should be enough. Thank you for watching. If you need help, I'm gonna turn off the comments because I can't help you. I'm sorry.